And
chocolate,
also,
milk chocolate,
you don't have
white
to keep
chocolate,
saying,
chocolate,
oh, subscribe to this, subscribe to that, subscribe to that, subscribe to that.
That's what I do.
So, we are now doing this video challenge that our fans requested that we make curry chicken and rice and brownies. So, they're going to judge. They're not going to know who cooked what. They're going to judge who did the best dish. Dessert and chicken curry with rice, which they already know that their mom is going to win. So, let's get this challenge started now.
You can only halfway see your face. Your eyes are out of the video.
Alright, go ahead, Eddie.
Me? Yeah, your eyes are out of the video.
Be too close.
What are you doing?
I'm already starting to do the chicken.
Hell yeah. Look, we supposed to have a 2-hour limit. I mean, you know what I mean?
Wait a second.
Don't you know what I mean?
Go grab my phone.
People don't even know how to follow the rules on the
Grab my
break.
phone.
The 2 hours.
So, we're going to see how this goes. Of course, my food going to taste the best, look the best. And, yeah. A few moments earlier. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, J.
No,
Neal.
don't say it like that. You keep saying his name. Don't say, don't give people your whole entire name.
It's your whole name, J. Neal.
Foolish.
Go.
Okay. Hey YouTube. This is Pizza 700. I'm Pizza 700, and this is Shadow 109. And we're going to be making the rules of the cooking contest.
So first, you have 2 hours to cook chicken curry. Yes, chicken curry, 2 hours.
Curry chicken?
Curry chicken, 2 hours you have. Then, after you get done that, you have 3 hours to cook chocolate brownies. The time does not transfer over from the last round.
It could be any chocolate. It could be any
all
chocolate
of your
with
time.
brownies.
No, it has to be chocolate.
No, he said any chocolate.
It could be any chocolate.
It be whatever brownie we decide that we want to make,
It has to
dog.
be chocolate.
Y'all already know that I'm going to win the curry challenge because I'm from Jamaica, man.
Lies.
No.
He from SoufEast. He from SoufEast, Washington, D.C. He's far from Jamaican.
Jamaica, man.
Yes, lies.
All right, come on, man. How the judging go?
Why do you have to tell your location?
Taste, creativity.
He trying to sound dignified because he's sitting in front of the fireplace in an office chair.
Yeah.
Taste, creativity,
and presentation.
Presentation, creativity, and taste.
And you can add whatever you want to the dish.
What about that's presentation.
Curry chicken and my chocolate brownie.
Yeah, you can eat.
Back to Steve with the news.
You could do white chocolate. They could do white chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate,
Chocolate.
caramel, triple chocolate, chocolate fudge,
They can add
chocolate
whatever they
truffle,
want to.
chocolate.
Yeah, we get the point. So we can make whatever we want
As long
as it's in the rules of being a brownie and it being
chocolate.
curry chicken with rice.
But
chocolate.
Brownies is chocolate, dude. What are you talking about?
White chocolate, dark chocolate, chocolate.
Okay.
That come from this side.
Anywho,
What you got to say about the challenge?
Yes. What do you have to say?
let me tell y'all.
Homicide.
I'ma crush him. He swear he's the best cook of the house.
Because I am. It's
He's
a proven
not.
fact, man.
He been taught a lot of things.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
You
So
been
just
good,
to let y'all know.
you had good cooking passed down.
Yes, right, son. Good cooking passed down.
It's in my DNA.
Never. But anywho,
Yeah.
I'ma crush him on his curry chicken and rice. I'ma crush him on his brownie.
Oh,
You guys gonna
the
come
kicker
along
is
with us.
Neither one of us ever made curry chicken before.
Oh yeah, neither one of us ever made curry chicken.
Oh, yeah, I didn't? Oh, this is exciting.
No, we never made it.
Glad we
So
got chicken.
the boys will be the judge. This their challenge for us.
Good.
I'ma crush them in the curry chicken and rice. I'ma crush them, of course, in the brownie challenge.
Yeah.
So you guys gonna come along with us and leave your comments below.
And
Don't forget to
subscribe.
like, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave your comments below of what other challenge you might want us to do.
Subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, Neal family, we back. We had to go ahead and make a daggone voiceover on this part. Rookie mistake, you know what I'm saying? First YouTube video, but as we reviewed the clip, we realized we had some background music that you know how YouTube is, and we finding out. So this part pretty much we was just telling y'all that we was finished cooking, showing the dishes, letting you know that we about to go into the taste test, the blind taste test, explaining everything. The place is gonna be judged off taste and presentation. Supposed to be in creativity, but somebody scapegoated that one because you know it was the winter.
Whatever. So here are the dishes.
On to the kids. As you can see, they blindfolded. First up is dish A, which is my dish. Getting a good bite. Jerome going first. My man Shadow109, follow him on his YouTube. Pizza 700, Jaquez went second. And they pretty much saying how delicious my meal was. It's so good. It's so delicious. And then they like, oh, I don't want to eat the other dish. I just want the first one.
No. So pretty much now they're tasting my dish, which
Dish
is
B.
dish B. And
That's pretty okay.
they pretty much explaining how amazing it tastes. Like it actually tastes like curry chicken. And they wanted to eat the rest of the bowl, but they know they gotta save, you know.
See what he was saying right there. He was like, yeah, you know, dish A was so amazing that dish B just lacked the flavor.
He actually did. But he just explaining how well they both taste and what he liked about each individual dish. And Jaquez is pretty much saying the same thing. At the end of the day,
I like that dish.
Jerome like my dish as far as taste. Jaquez like daddy dish as far as taste.
Alright. So now we back into the regular video. Okay. So peace out.
What it look like? Okay, so guys, you can take it off. Judge it on presentation.
Oh, my face.
Like how the dish look.
How can I even take this off?
Just slide it off. It's a big old stink bug that flew over there by the couch today. Okay. Look by the couch. Okay. So looking at the dish, which one look like restaurant quality? Did you see it?
Oh.
You can rate them.
Yeah, this one looks like. Wait a second. Is this
You
deep?
can't
It
tell.
don't matter which one is.
Which one
has the
presentation look?
better presentation?
Which one look better?
Yeah, I think this one looks better.
Okay. Which one, Jerome?
Oh.
You gotta pick your judge. Come on now.
But I like it because they have like the rice in the middle, and that's why I think of the creative output because it's like they have the rice and the chicken.
Okay, so on this one you pick that dish and you pick this dish. Okay, so what about creativity? I guess. Well, I guess creativity and presentation are the same, right?
Right.
So we need to figure out another way to judge the tie, break the tie, to figure out which one is the
This
best.
thing
since we
doesn't
both-
really have any.
How you know it's a tie?
Because me and Jockeys voted two different ones on the same thing, which means each have 2 points.
How you know it's a different one that you
I
chose?
like the dark brown. I like the
Because
dark
he
brown
said-
looking of this.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Then
You don't know which one dish A or which dish B.
Oh yeah.
it kind of looks like some sort of cheese mountain or something. Wow, the other one looks like there's some cheese sauce right on there. And then there's like some meat, then there's chickpeas, and then there's some other sauce, and there's rice on there.
So you
Okay.
said what?
It look like a cheese mountain.
Which
Yeah.
one?
This
That's
look like a
one?
cheese mountain.
Yeah.
He's saying yours?
No,
I
he
mean,
said
that
this one look like a cheese mountain. This
This-
one look like a cheese.
Say what you said?
This one looks like a cheese mountain.
And what this one look like?
This looks like there's some cheese sauce on there, and then there's some rice, and then there's some
But
chickpeas.
it ain't no cheese in either one.
Okay, so pretty much,
Yeah,
it's
it's like
gonna come
some-
down to dessert. So
It's like some gold.
Okay, so this the first round of the
this the first
competition.
round of the competition.
Go ahead and,
The next one is
go ahead and stop.
Who won?
the next one is dessert. So this is dish A,
Oh.
which is daddy dish, and this is dish B, which is my dish. So pretty much we tied.
Jerome pick
Dish B
mommy
for
dish
taste.
for taste.
Jerome, Jacquees picked daddy dish for taste.
Yeah, I
And
like
Jacquees
the spice.
picked my dish for presentation. And Jerome picked daddy dish because it looked like it got a trio rainbow or
Yeah,
something.
it's like you see the
Yeah,
rice.
okay.
It's a better
anyhow.
presentation.
Mix it
Anyhow.
At
together.
the end of the day, it's a better presentation.
Anywho, it come down to
got the
dessert.
spice.
It come down to dessert.
You know what I'm
So,
saying? It got
alright,
the
we'll keep
spice
y'all
on there.
posted.
You got cheese
So
on it.
y'all pretty much.
I said that.
Jerome picked my dish
I
for
was saying this
taste.
was like
Jacquees
little
picked daddy
chewy,
dish
like
for
you gotta
taste.
chew it a little much.
Jacquees
And
picked my
Mom
dish for
was like, you
presentation,
just chew
and
it like
Jerome
this.
picked daddy dish
And
for
Mom was like,
presentation.
you
He
know,
said it looked like a rainbow.
Like you
You
had
know,
to
But
bite
so now it's gonna come down to the dessert. These are the dishes. This is my dish, and this is daddy dish.
Look at that bite right there. That ain't nothing but delicious.
Jackie said this look like it has cheese on it.
And that one look like a
He
cheese
said
mountain.
mine look like a
This thing
cheese
looks like
mountain because it has
some
yellow
And
rice.
who likes a cheese mountain?
But
Nobody.
pretty much, you know,
It's like a gold mine.
it's two different dishes. Daddy had beans and all types of stuff. But anywho,
And I ain't even let him taste the
Yellow rice.
chickpeas. You know what I'm saying?
Anywho.
Because if you would have tasted chickpeas,
who dish
you
look
would've
better
knew it
to
was
y'all?
mine.
Let us know.
So that's why I just damn piece of the chicken.
I wish y'all could taste it, but
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But either way, both dishes is delicious.
Yeah.
I mean, you already know how I do it.
Dang, this thing is hot as
She
crap.
trying to catch up.
anywho, let me taste this dish. Let me taste this dish on.
Man, let me tell you your
Let. Oh, this camera too close. Let me taste his
Oh, this thing
dish.
is hot.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
no.
what.
Oh, it's too late because I already tasted mine. You tasted yours too, so you.
I taste my. Of course, when you make your food, you're supposed to taste it.
I mean, you know.
So
I don't know. You don't know.
I want some.
I'm gonna taste this chicken.
I want some good old
It's
spice.
spicy, but it don't taste like curry. It don't taste like curry to me. It just tastes like seasoning with spice. This bean's pretty good. I don't eat chickpeas, so.
Yeah, that thing tastes like somebody dumped it back in
Last. Anywho, my dish is more heartier.
Yeah.
Well, technically it was a tie.
Yeah, it's a tie now. And
I don't know what you talking about. Mine was spicy as crap.
mine is so good. Daddy, what you thought about my dish?
It wasn't that good to me.
What?
I like that
Like
sauce.
tastes grainy almost.
What?
I think y'all just doubting our dish.
He just he lying.
I think
Taste it again, man. Maybe I'm
Damn her. He
I
lying.
think
Taste
both
it
of
again.
you.
Let
I
me
think
taste
both
it
of y'all
again.
just.
Let me get a good bite out.
Get a good bite.
They just doubting each other's dish because they want to not admit that each.
You guys want to win.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
That dish bomb.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
That dish bomb. Look at Jerome.
Actually,
Daddy dish. His actual rice is pretty good. He got meat in it. I don't eat chickpeas, but
yeah.
his chicken,
Your chicken is awesome.
his chicken, it tastes like he just put a lot of spices in it. Like, it don't taste like curry to me.
Whoa. It's cool. Somebody watching us.
But mine tastes like curry.
Thank
mine
you.
look like curry.
Thanks for watching.
Alright, so yeah, we back, man. The curry chicken challenge, we kind of tied it up with that drink. So it's on to the brownie stage. You know what I'm saying? About to do my thing. Step one, got the muffin pans on deck. Fill them joints with the batter. She over there cooking some milk or something. Yeah, and that's the end result. With the scoop ice cream, baby.
Oh, see, this is Dad's. Don't have the blindfold this time. Ooh, it's nice and hot. A little bit of that ice cream.
You're supposed to be able to crack the center
This is
and something come out. Let's see if it happens.
Nothing came out.
Nothing came out. It's cooked too well. It's called one of them like volcano or fudge
You mean that?
thing.
All that goodness.
And it's supposed to ooze out the
I ain't wanted to
chocolate.
do that now.
He did. It ain't happen. But okay, he cooked the cake. What do you guys think?
This has a nice chocolate demeanor with the ice cream.
But the ice cream not the challenge. The cake is the challenge. What does the cake taste like?
Dessert is the challenge.
No, it was
As long as the
chocolate.
brownies in it. It's
The main thing was a chocolate brownie.
Dessert good.
The ice cream wasn't made, it was bought. So you have to taste it separate. Like when they do challenges, people cook sides with them. But even if the side's good, they still determine whether the brownie or the main dish, you know. Is the brownie good by itself? Could you eat the brownie without the ice cream?
yeah. It's like a nice fudgy and spongy like a cake.
Okay.
It's really good.
Jaquise, could you eat the brownie by itself without the ice cream?
I just did. It's really good.
Really, really good is what he said.
All
Yeah.
right.
It has that chocolate ooze leaking out
It
of
doesn't.
It actually don't.
It has
You
like
just, it doesn't have
He's
It
making
got
that.
it, huh?
His
No, it
don't.
doesn't.
it has a
It
little
doesn't.
bit of chocolate
Look.
ooze.
It doesn't
No
have any
chocolate.
chocolate.
It's
If you
cooked.
just, you see,
All of it's cooked.
you
I
see,
taste a little.
Mommy brownie is already gone over here, but
it was good.
how was it?
Oh, it was delicious, but the only problem was that it was too soft. I mean, it was too dense. What does that mean again?
It was too dry. It was too dry, but it tastes really good.
I know it's too soft.
I can deal with
This
it.
what it look like.
And then we'll do that.
I'm better with from
What's in that thing look like? I don't know what that is. Oh, I'm gonna drop the phone on that thing.
You take 2 hours to that.
It's like dry.
You the same.
Dry.
No, it tastes like a.
It tastes too dense.
It's like it ain't
Like it ain't cooked all the
it
way.
ain't cooked, man. Like, you know, bakers usually know how to bake stuff all the way through.
The oven cut off, and I was sitting over there and I ain't even paying attention.
Both of y'all.
The oven was all.
Okay, so, alright.
No. The problem with both of y'all is that overcooked his because he
So
didn't
was
have
it
the,
overcooked?
Yeah, it was overcooked because it's supposed to be a lava
Whoever,
It's supposed
so
to
did
be
it
a
taste
cake.
overcooked?
A lava cake.
Did it taste overcooked?
No, but Mom's didn't taste undercooked.
What?
It didn't taste undercooked.
Mine was
Jockey,
soft.
Jockey.
It was just this what Daddy was making. This is how it's supposed to look. A cake and all this lava
Look,
came out.
I didn't want all that lava to come out, dog. Because it's supposed to have been a brownie.
No, it wasn't. He did.
In order to make it brownie like, I had to take
No, he did
the
because he actually
Uzi
timed
center.
it. Look, he actually timed it the amount that they said time.
No, actually I let
you didn't.
3
Let it
minutes
be
run
7
past
times.
and
No,
then set it
no,
to the
you
right
didn't.
timer.
You timed it because you kept asking me the time on it.
Really?
You kept.
I already let the time run and then I set it to the regular time. I did that purposely, dog.
The point is,
The point is, who had the best dessert, Jockeys?
I'm gonna compare the results.
Mom's
Who had the best
soft,
Mom's
but it was
cake.
tasted way, no offense, Dad, but it tasted way better. But
I
her
really
thing was
like-
soft.
I really like both cakes.
It like was
Wait.
little crispy.
The only problem with mom cake was it was like too dry.
Mm-hmm.
So which cake do you like?
Your thing was like more moist.
Mm-hmm.
I think I like Dad's cake more better.
All right.
Yours
Jerome?
is good as well.
Jerome,
Hey, Jerome.
tell the truth. It ain't about trying to hurt people's feelings. That's why it's a competition. We know who's just better.
You know, Jerome. You knew Jacques was gonna pick Dad's. That's just
How?
Because he do that. Only
He
reason why
picked.
he
He
picked,
gave an honest assessment
No,
of what he thought
but he knew it was
was
yours.
good.
If even like without presentation, he didn't know whose was what. Well, he probably did because he knew you had beans, so he probably did. But it don't matter.
I
It's
didn't
just
taste beans in
competition.
mine.
You gotta pick one. So pick one. It don't
No,
matter.
it's not even about her. It's just like it's hard to accept.
No,
everybody-
no, it ain't. No, it ain't, Jerome. You created a competition between us. You gotta be the judge. Stop trying to be all soft. Because you know mine was the better one. But you just don't want to tell mommy. I'm just trying to say that mommy's ain't taste good at all to
What do you
me.
mean? Mom says it's great with the peanut butter and chocolate. It was peanut butter and
Yeah.
chocolate. The only problem with
I think the peanut butter dawed out the chocolate. The peanut butter dawed out the chocolate.
So like when you try to
Actually,
taste it,
You couldn't even taste the chocolate no more. And the peanut butter was
chocolate. It was just that.
peanut butter was bland.
It tastes like it wasn't
Bland. Bland sand.
Pick who you pick. It don't make a difference. It's a competition.
Right, it's a competition. Uh-huh.
yeah.
Jockey's gonna win. Alright. Stand over there. So overall, the competition wasn't just one or the other.
Actually, it wasn't.
It was both parts of the competition.
No, you, Mom, Todd is the best cooks, and you got the best bakers. Only because his mom cooked her thing longer, in which she definitely would have won. No offense, she would have won.
At the end of the day,
You would have
it came out the way it came out. If it was dry to me, it would have cooked longer. It would have been worse. It's been like eating a brick out this drink. You know what I'm saying?
You don't know dessert. It was
Look, I know what dessert's supposed to taste like.
It was very dense. It was very dense.
It was very decent.
It was dense. It didn't taste like it was done. It was very
I mean, you baked it, so
yeah. I mean, the oven was off, so
I mean, hey, a baker's bake.
yeah, bacon.
You know what I'm saying? That's that curry. That #1 curry that won.
Who?
You know
You
what I'm
didn't
saying?
win. It was a tie.
That #1.
No.
So overall, who won?
Overall.
Overall, dessert dinner, who won, Jockeys?
For dessert, you won, but you tied for mine.
I'm talking about from both together. Put them together.
Now you're gonna try to put them together. Oh yeah, we're gonna put them together.
It's a whole competition.
But
whole
that gets
competition
spicy
to see
curry
who was
better.
the thing. We
And I
discussed this
also like-
before.
And I also like the lava cake that Crinkle Diva.
It wasn't a lava cake. Just say a brownie.
It was a brownie, dude. I made it brownie.
You see, this is what I mean.
All right, Jerome.
You judging it because it was lava
Yeah,
cake.
it wasn't a
Jerome.
lava.
If you said
Jerome.
it was ants in the thing,
But
you would-
Jerome, you just said that mine was better anyway.
I
dog.
said hit. No, I did say yours was better.
Okay, so
Yours
why?
was better.
So
It
why
was
him
cooked.
saying that it was
cooked
better?
Good. It tastes pretty good.
Why is it a problem if he said it was better?
No, the problem
it's
is
really
he
good.
judges it off of what he thinks is in it. If you said it was onion in the thing, he would have
We ain't talking
put
about
the plate to
onion.
the side and said no. He
We ain't
would've
talking
won.
about onion. It was onion in the
would've put
curry. It was onion in the curry. He ate that. He ate that.
You see exactly because you didn't tell him.
He seen me. He seen me cook it in there.
He would have been like, everything is good besides the onion in it.
Exactly.
Everything was good except for
Exactly. That's what he would have
mommy's
said.
dry cake brownie, whatever that was.
If
on
he
it.
said it was onion in that cake, he would have said, "I don't
Who
want
wants to
Mom
eat an
said."
onion cake, dog?
I don't know.
Anybody
My
would have
point
said
is,
they wouldn't have ate it.
if you told him it was onions in something, he wouldn't have ate it because
Who
there was
won?
onions in it.
Who won?
We already know who won. You.
Alright, that's all we need to know. Mommy, you heard that? From both of them.
That's cool.
I am the winner because I am the best.
Tied on